So we have to start with chapter number 4, that is Excel. In the last term, we already started with Excel. Remember, chapter 2 and 3, the basic functions and formulas. We learned how to apply the functions and formulas in Excel. Then in chapter number 3, we studied how to insert a chart and how to format a chart. We did various options for the formatting of chart, for drawing the chart, right? Now the next chapter is the advanced features of Excel. So under the advanced features, the features that comes under this is sorting and filtering. So we will be studying that today. So open chapter number 4, page number 38. Page number 38 of your book. Opened. Okay. So can anybody tell me what is sorting? Do you know the basic idea of sorting? Don't look into the books. आपको क्या मतलब पता है sorting के बारे में? But what the term sorting means? Just in simple language, need not to look into the book for the answers. Yes, Karthik.
Ma'am, I think sorting means arrangement.
Ma'am, to arrange the things in good order.
Okay, arranging the things in
I
order.
think that sort the data.
Things.
Pajan?
Ma'am,
Sorting the things into categories.
Okay. Any other answer? Yes. Yes, Savya. Savya, you can unmute, bache.
Yes, ma'am, to separate the data.
To separate the data. Not exactly, that is what somewhat we can say in filtering, but not in the sorting. So any other answer? Yes, Gaurish. Gaurish, you have given the answer? Okay. So sorting simply means arrangement. Yes. Sorting means arranging of something. Now when we are saying I have to arrange my clothes, because I'm sorting it. But when we are talking about the data in Excel, so we will not say things, we will say data, right? We have to sort the data. Now there are two ways, either we can sort our data in ascending or we can sort our data in descending. So ascending means in increasing order, that is smallest to largest, right? Descending means increasing order, that is highest to lowest. So two ways. So sorting simply means arranging the data according in a particular order, in some particular order. Now that order can be the ascending order or it can be a descending order. The meaning of sorting is clear? Meaning is clear, bache, to everyone? Now, how to perform sorting in Excel? Now you can see on my screen, I have shared one worksheet is there regarding the students, where the student roll number is there, student name, then marks in different subjects, then total marks obtained by a particular student along with its percentage and grade. So very easy worksheet, you can easily understand this, right? Now, how to practically implement the sorting? So firstly, let's look at the steps. Whenever you have to sort the data, the first step, you have to select the cells or either the range of cells. You can simply select one cell or you can select range of cells like this. Single select cell means when you're simply clicking on a particular cell like this, right? And when you're selecting the range of cells means a contiguous selection is there where there will be a rectangular, it will form a rectangular that will form the range of cells. Now, there are two methods for applying the sorting also, but in your book, it's given only one. In your book, it's given only one. Okay. So in your book, only one method is given, that is from the data tab. But look at my screen. The first method is from the home tab. So write down the command, home tab, editing group, sort and filter button. Under the sort and filter button, the options are sort smallest to largest, sort largest to smallest, custom sort, right? The command is clear. Both methods are given from data tab. I'm telling you from the home tab. Okay. So write down in your book पे note कर लो, home tab, editing group, write down home tab, editing group, editing group, sort and filter button, sort and filter button, and then you have to choose the option, whatever the desired option you want to choose, that is custom sort, sort A to Z, sort Z to A. So the options under sort and filter button are sort Z to A, sort A to Z, sort A to Z, custom sort. The command is clear, बच्चे? So you can see in this command, basically 4 things are there. है ना? Otherwise क्या होता है? Normally command में 3 options होती है हमारी, tab होता है, group होता है और एक option होती है. But in this command, I am telling you 4 things. That is number 1, home tab, editing group, sort and filter button. Under the sort and filter button, the options are sort A to Z, sort Z to A, custom sort. Z to A means descending order, largest to smallest. Sort A to Z means increasing order में, that is the ascending order from lowest to highest. Custom sort में हम कुछ condition specify करेंगे, according to that condition we have to sort. पहले वाले 2 buttons में directly normal sorting will be there, but in the last button we will sort, but according to some criteria, according to some condition. So this thing is clear. Any doubt till now? Yes, बच्चे. Should I proceed? यहाँ तक किसी का कोई doubt तो नहीं है? Things are clear. Just let me know. You can just thumbs up or you can write in the chat box so that I can proceed further. The meaning of sorting, 2 types of sorting, like we can do the arrangement either ascending or descending. And how we can do, the first command I have told you, that is from the home tab, editing group, sort and filter group, then sort Z to A and sort A to Z or custom sort. So let's practically do now these 3 options. So this is the command. अगर किसी की miss हो गई है, you can take it from here. Right? I have written here. Visible now? The command is visible. Okay? Chalo. Now let's do it practically. So for example, simply, I just want to sort the marks of English. You can see in English, the marks are given randomly. Like Arun is scoring 78, then 98, 78, 89, 77, 88, 68, 90, 97, and 60. So it's not in the specific order. Do you find some order in this? Do you find? आपको यहाँ पे कोई specific order दिखाई दे रहा है? No, that is randomly. है ना? Random numbers are there. So, but now I want to sort in ascending. I want the marks should be in ascending order. So I'm selecting this, right? Now following the same command, going on to the sort and filter button. Now I'm selecting the option that is sort smallest to largest. Smallest to largest means sort A to Z. So sort A to Z में क्या होगा? Now it will be, what will happen? हाँ जी बताओ. Sort A to Z में अब क्या होगा? what will happen? Yes, Savya.
And it means sort smaller to larger.
Smallest to largest. That means the values will be
And smaller to bigger.
the values will be in ascending order, that is from lowest to highest, right? So when I click on this, now go on to smallest to largest. So it will ask for two options. First is expand the selection. Expand the selection means जो सिलेक्ट हमने सेल किया हुआ है उसके साथ के जितने भी कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग सेल्स हैं दैट विल आल्सो बी सॉर्टेड. फॉर एग्जांपल अगर अरुण के मार्क्स 78 हैं तो ये नहीं है कि अगर मैं इसको स्मॉलेस्ट टू लार्जेस्ट कर रही हूँ तो 60 विल बी ऑन द टॉप. दैट इज 60 किसके मार्क्स हैं? फ्रेड के. 60 मार्क्स किसको बिलोंग कर रहे हैं? फ्रेड को, राइट? अगर अब मैं यहाँ पे सॉर्ट करती हूँ तो व्हाट विल हैपन? लुक हियर, with the option expand the selection. Now you just remember Arun ke marks 78 and Fred ke 60, right? Clear? So now I'm going to click on the sort button here. So see, sorting हो गई. Arun के marks 78 ही show रहे हैं, Fred के marks 60 show रहे हैं. Means our sorting has been done, but in the order ascending. That is from lowest to highest. अब देखो यहाँ पे ascending order बन रहा है. 60, 68, 77, 78, 78, 88, 89. It is in proper order now. It is in sequence. Yes, done. This thing is clear to everyone. Okay. Now I am going to undo my data. Now see, अगर same चीज मैं यहाँ पे करती, sort and filter में जाके sorts want to continue with the current selection. Continue with the current selection means I am doing only with the selected cell because I have selected only English here, है ना? मैंने सिर्फ English को select किया हुआ है, लेकिन अगर मैं ऊपर वाला करी थी expand हो रही थी selection मेरी. Selection is expanding with respect to the student name and roll number along with all other subjects. ये नहीं है कि ट्रेड की परसेंटेज चेंज हो गई थी, जारून की परसेंटेज चेंज हो गई थी. हमने अभी देखा हमारा डेटा सेम रह रहा था even after doing sorting. It is just sorted in the arrangement that is in the ascending order, but the values are correct according to the name and roll number. But when I select the option continue with the current selection, so it will sort only English data. बाकी कुछ sorting नहीं होगी. तो अब होगा क्या? 78 मार्क्स अरुण के, लेकिन वो कहीं और डेटा हमारा चले जाएगा क्योंकि वो सॉर्ट कर रहे हैं हम सिर्फ एक नॉर्मल एक वन कॉलम पे. ठीक है, तो मैंने यहाँ पे सॉर्ट किया. सी, अब अरुण के मार्क्स 60 शो हो रही है ना मेरे को, बट सॉर्टिंग तो हो गई मेरी. सॉर्टिंग तो मेरी करेक्ट है क्योंकि अरेंजमेंट मेरा प्रॉपर आ रहा है सेंडिंग टू डिसेंडिंग. 60, 68, 77, 78 इट इज शोइंग इन द करेक्ट मैनर. अगर मैं ओवरऑल इस वर्कशीट को देखूं बट मेरा डेटा फिर यहाँ पे चेंज हो रहा है क्योंकि अरुण के एक्चुअल मार्क्स 78 थे, है ना? सो दैट्स व्हाई आई विल बी चूजिंग द ऑप्शन sort smallest to largest, expand the selection. Divang, be serious. Be attentive in class rather than dancing. Okay, so expand the selection, then click on the sort button. So see, the data has been sorted along with its name, along with its other subjects also. पूरी की पूरी वर्कशीट आपकी सॉर्ट हुई है along with the. अब मार्क्स तो इंग्लिश के मेरे अरेंजमेंट में आया. देखो बाकी मार्क्स मेरे अभी भी रैंडम ही आ रहे हैं. बाकी मार्क्स मेरे अभी भी रैंडम आ रहे हैं ना, राइट? इंग्लिश के मार्क्स मेरे जरूर सॉर्ट हो गए हैं लेकिन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू द नेम. अब ट्रेड के इंग्लिश में 60 थे, मैथ्स में 65 ही थे, एसएसटी में 58 ही थे. ठीक है, उसके मार्क्स एग्जैक्टली करेक्ट आ रहे हैं, बट सॉर्टिंग कहाँ पे लगी है? ऑन इंग्लिश सब्जेक्ट. एनी डाउट टू एनीवन? सो दिस इज क्लियर टू एवरीवन. डू यू वांट टू आस्क एनी क्वेश्चन टिल नाउ? Okay. Now let's do in descending. So now I'm going to sort the names in descending order, that is from Z to A. Sort Z to A, expand the selection, you can see. So the names are coming in descending order now. Yes. Dekho na, T, then A, B, C, D, like this, it is coming, right? Now, same way, you can apply on the percentage as well. So sort largest to smallest. So see 92.8, 91.2, 86.6, 81.6, 80.6, 78.6. So the percentage is coming now in descending order, highest to lowest, right? Ascending order and descending order, both the options are clear. Everyone, any doubt? कोई doubt है बच्चे यहाँ तक? Okay. Now coming on to the third option, that is custom sort. So going on that, click on the custom sort. Let it be, I'm selecting these two cells now, custom sort, sort by. When you will perform the custom sort, it will open the sort dialog box. Okay, it will open sort dialog box. Now under the sort dialog box, you will click sort by column. Here the columns names are given. अब देखो मैंने by default English और Math select किया था, so that's why only English and Maths are coming here. If I will select more columns before following the command, here it will be number of columns, right? But now for presently, I have selected only English and Maths, so that's why English and Maths are coming. Clear? Now, if I want to sort English column, now you have to specify the order here, smallest to largest or largest to smallest. So let's say now I'm going to sort largest to smallest. Which column I'm going to sort? English column. So click on OK. So see, English column की sorting हो गई in descending order, right? Clear? This thing is clear. Now, one more option. So see, it is asking me to sort. Now every columns are coming, so you can specify any column here. For example, if I want to sort total column, and then I want to decide the order, that is smallest to largest. Now the next thing is, here is one option, my data has headers. Look carefully. My data has headers. मीन्स जो मेरी वर्कशीट है उसके ऊपर एक हेडर लगा हुआ है, हेडर रो लगी हुई है, एंड वी डोंट वांट टू सॉर्ट इट. डू वी नीड टू सॉर्ट द हेडर रो? दैट इज अवर हेडिंग्स ओनली. हमने तो सिर्फ मार्क्स को सॉर्ट करना है, हमने रोल नंबर, सीरियल, स्टूडेंट नेम, इंग्लिश, मैथ्स, वी आर नॉट कंसर्न्ड विद दैट, राइट? सो इसको हम टिक की रखेंगे. इस चेक बॉक्स को टिक रखने का मतलब है कि माई डेटा हैज हेडर रो. मेरे डेटा के अंदर, मेरी वर्कशीट के अंदर आई एम हैविंग अ हेडिंग, बट हेडिंग को हमने सॉर्टिंग में इंक्लूड नहीं करना है. सो वी विल कीप दिस चेक बॉक्स एज टिक. नाउ लुक एट द आउटपुट व्हेन आई विल क्लिक ऑन ओके. अब सॉर्टिंग मेरी टोटल के अकॉर्डिंग हो गई है. क्लियर? You can see in the percentage now, right? It is coming in ascending order. The total are coming in ascending order. मेरी header row को तो कुछ नहीं हुआ, right? Now, if I want, अब अगर यहाँ पे देखो, मैं यहाँ पे अगर इसको uncheck कर देती हूँ, if I will untick this check box, what will happen? Then I will click on sort smallest to largest. See, मेरी हेडर रो पिक हो गई है बीच में. सॉर्टिंग में हेडर रो भी इंक्लूड हो गई है. तो हेडर रो को तो हमने सॉर्टिंग में इंक्लूड नहीं करना, बिकॉज दैट इज जस्ट फॉर द हेडिंग पर्पस, राइट? सो वी विल कीप दिस चेक बॉक्स टिक, राइट? वी विल कीप दिस चेक बॉक्स टिक. This thing is clear? Any doubt in the options now? Sort A to Z, sort Z to A, and custom sort. Any doubt? Yes, anyone? The topic is clear? How do we perform sorting? What is the command to be followed? What are the steps? Things are clear, बच्चे? चले आगे. अब मैंने आपको sorting का बताया कि हम home tab से करते हैं. I already mentioned here command. Home tab, editing group, sort and filter button, sort Z to A, sort A to Z, and custom sort. This is from one tab. Now let's look the same methods from the another tab. The second is from the data tab. Data tab, then sort and filter group. Now what is the command? Note it down. Everyone note it down with me. Data tab, sort and filter group. Now there are options. Look at the options. Sort A to Z, sort Z to A, sort. Instead of custom sort, now the option is sort. Sort Z to A, and the last option is sort, which is actually a custom sort only. ठीक है, इस कमांड के अंदर जो लास्ट में ऑप्शन आ रही है sort, that is the custom sort only. So these are the two commands for sorting. One from the home tab, editing group. The second one is from data tab, sort and filter group, right? Now let's perform the same functions from the data tab. Roll number 20, you can write in the chat box, bache. No, but when you are giving the answer from the data tab, you will mention the option only sort. ये मैंने आपको समझाने के लिए बताया that the option is custom sort only, but option का exact name we have to write. The option name is sort only. Okay. So now the same thing. Now I want to do the sorting on computer from the data tab, sort A to Z, expand the selection. So see, the marks has been sorted, right? Now, next, I want to sort roll numbers Z to A, descending order. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That is in descending order, highest to lowest. Clear? Clear बच्चे? Data tab से दोनों options clear हैं, sort A to Z and sort Z to A. Now next is the custom sort. So firstly I have to select custom sort. Now it is showing which column you want to sort, right? Column A, B, C. Now let's say I want to sort column I. Now column I is percentage. How I want to sort? I want to sort smallest to largest. My data has headers, the same option. I will tick it. I will make this checkbox as tick so that मेरी header row include ना हो sorting के बीच में. और column कौन सा मैंने लिया है? Percentage. The order I am choosing here is smallest to largest. Clear? Click on OK. So you can see my header row has not been affected now. Header row मेरी बिल्कुल correct है, वो बीच में include नहीं हुई है sorting के. And I will be sorted the percentage in ascending order. So you can see it's already coming in increasing order. 69.4 से लेके 91.2. So that is increasing way. Clear? So concept of sorting is clear, बच्चे. You can ask if you have any query. If you want to sort English, Math, Science, all these columns, then you have to select them. You have to make add levels on them. See, here, if I'm selecting this and I'm making in the ascending order, So 60, 68, 77, all these are coming, but the rest of the marks are not coming. Clear? So what you can do is, if you want to sort these marks, custom sort, you can add the level here. English ke marks you want to sort in smallest to largest. Next, you want to sort marks of maths as well. Next, SST. Next, science. And then computer. Order मैंने सबका रखा है smallest to largest. Clear? This way, on a particular subject, you can apply a sorting. Right? Make sure when you're using this, you have to choose this option, my data has headers as pick. Clear? This thing is clear, bache? Now one more feature I just want to tell you that is not in your syllabus. That is conditional formatting. The feature is very useful, but it's not given in your book. Look, sometimes what happens, the option will be under Home tab, Styles group, conditional formatting. Home tab, Styles group, conditional formatting. So conditional formatting means, let's say if I want to choose this range, go to conditional formatting, highlight cells rule. Highlight cells rules means उन cells को highlight कर दो जिनकी value greater than, let's say 80 है. The values which are greater than 80, fill them with green dark color text. See, अब जहां जहां पे डेटा आपका 80 से ज्यादा आ रहा था, you can see 84, 98, 89, 95, 88, वहां पे डेटा मेरा green color का हो गया, because I have chosen the option greater than. Greater than कितना? 80. So this is conditional formatting, means you are doing the formatting according to some condition. We are conditional formatting. Conditional formatting meaning आपको term से clear हो रहा है. We are doing formatting according to some condition. I want to highlight the cell rules where the value is less than 72 with light red. So it's already coming. See, जहां जहां पे value आपकी 72 से less than है, वहां पे आपका color pink color का आपका background हो रहा है और text color आपका red में appear हो रहा है. So this is the conditional formatting. Okay. So we done two features today, sorting and conditional formatting. Give it a practice, and next topic we will continue in the next lecture. Okay. Take care. That's all for the day. See you all tomorrow, bache. But please give it a practice. Make a worksheet in Excel and apply sorting and conditional formatting features. Okay.